Hey everyone! Do you feel like your hair is falling out more than usual and just can't seem to stop it? I've been there too. Hair fall can happen for many reasons: stress, medications, pregnancy, nutrient deficiencies, etc. But before reaching for expensive store products or harsh treatments, try some simple and natural home remedies first that have shown to help strengthen hair and reduce shedding without damaging your hair. The main reasons our hair falls out has to do with poor circulation, clogged hair follicles and inflammation. So we want to focus on fixing those issues. The best remedies for that include: 1. Using essential oils like rosemary, lavender, and tea tree that improve blood flow to the scalp and reduce inflammation. 1. I'll share my favorite oil blend. 2. Exfoliating the scalp with things like sugar or sea salt scrubs to remove dead skin and product buildup from around follicles. 2. I'll demonstrate my easy scrub. 3. Massaging the scalp to increase blood flow. 3. I'll go over some massage techniques. 4. Using aloe vera gel and coconut oil to repair damage and keep your scalp and strands moisturized. 4. I'll share exactly how to apply them for best results. 5. Essential oil hair blend. 1. Ingredients: rosemary, lavender, tea tree, carrier oil like jojoba or coconut. 2. Benefits: improves scalp circulation, reduces inflammation, helps remove dandruff and unblock hair follicles. 3. Mix several drops of each essential oil with 1 ounce of carrier oil. 3. Massage into scalp and hair roots. 3. Put on shower cap and leave for 30 to 60 minutes before washing out. 3. Use 2 to 3 times per week. 1. Sugar or sea salt scalp scrub exfoliant. 1. Ingredients: 1 cup white sugar or sea salt, 5 to 10 drops essential oil, 2 tablespoons carrier oil. 2. Benefits: removes dead skin and product buildup around follicles to prevent clogging, allows nutrients to better absorb. 3. Massage scrub into damp scalp in circular motions for 5 minutes before shampooing. 3. Use 1 to 2 times per week. 1. Scalp massage techniques. 1. Benefits: stimulates blood flow to bring oxygen and nutrients to follicles, helps remove toxins. 2. Techniques: use fingertips to massage scalp in small circular motions, use knuckles for pressure points, use palms for light stroking. 3. Use 5 to 10 minutes per day. 1. Aloe vera and coconut oil mask. 1. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe gel, 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil. 2. Benefits: repairs damage, hydrates scalp, protects and coats strands to prevent breaking. 3. Apply all over scalp and hair. 3. Wear shower cap for 30 minutes, overnight, then wash out. 3. Use 1 to 2 times per week. By focusing on these main natural solutions and making them part of your hair care routine, you should see an improvement in hair fall within a few weeks. The remedies I'll be sharing only include ingredients you likely already have at home, are super easy to put together, and are all affordable options. So be sure to watch all the way until the end. Let's get started. The first home remedy is an essential oil hair blend that combines oils that target hair loss,